So my first ever sample pack is out. This is a drum and bass sample pack, and it's in collaboration with another artist called Booth. I'll leave a link to Booth in the comments so you can go check him out. The sample pack is free to download, and I'll leave a link in the description of where you can get it. If you want to download it yourself, feel free, and if you have any friends or anybody you know that may want to download it, please share it with them, it would help a ton. And if you could also leave a comment saying what you thought of this sample pack, and leave a like and subscribe if you're not already. Right, let's get into the sample pack. I'm going to run through what's in the sample pack for you, and then hopefully you can get stuck in and enjoy it. So let's start with the drums. So you've got 6 kicks, 6 snares, and 5 hats to choose from, and they are labeled with the key as well. So let's drag in a kick, let's drag in a snare, and let's drag in a hat, and then let's speedily arrange this. So then you can build your drums around our kicks and snares that me and Booth have made for you. Or if you're feeling slightly lazy, then you can use our loops, and there are some loops in here. And there's also some breaks loops which you can use here. So that's pretty much all the drums. Let's move on to the bass. So if you take a look at my screen right now, there's 2 ways of getting the basses. You can either load them straight into Serum, or you can use the WAVs that we've exported for you. And one thing to note is that the ones that say processed on Serum here are ready to be dropped in and used straight away if you put them into Serum, but the ones that say dry, if you compare the sounds on Serum to the ones that are already WAVs, then there's further post-processing going on the WAVs, so that's just something to note. So if you're unable to recreate the post-processing that the WAV has, it might be a better option to try and use the WAV in your tune rather than the Serum patch, but you can just have a play around and see how it goes. And if you'd like more information on how to get that post-processing, let me know in the comments or drop me a message, and I'm sure I can help you with that, or we can do it in a future video. So you've got various respacers to start with. And then you've got various wobble sounds. And then a sort of 808 style bass sound, and then a really heavy bass sound. So if you'd prefer to use the Serum patches, then I'm going to show you how you can use them. So what you want to do is copy all the sounds, and you want to go to Documents. So wherever you host your documents on your PC, for me, it is on the C drive at the moment. So I'm going to go to Documents on my C drive. And then you want to go to Zerfa. So when you downloaded Serum, it would have downloaded this folder onto your documents. And you want to go to Serum Presets. And then to presets, these are where all the presets are held. So when you go into Serum and then you try and select a preset, it should come up with all of these. So I'm just going to make a new folder and call it and then we're just going to go into it, paste it in. So all we need to do now is open Fruity Loops. Once Fruity Loops is open, we can add Serum. And then once Serum is open, we just go to the top here, find where I put the sounds, which is here. And then here are all the sounds. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment. And I'll see you all in the next one. Take it easy.